everyone. My name is Darlene Clark, and I am a community-based counselor for intensive in-home, for mental health support clients, for parent mentoring, and also for crisis cases. Um, as far as um, understanding grief, I would like to get a better understanding of it to be able to assist my clients for those that are dealing with grief. And I recently lost a client, well, last year, and I was working with the entire family, the father, the mother, and the daughter, who was 12, who unfortunately I was assigned to her case mainly for grief from the loss of her grandmother and her aunt. And then unfortunately, throughout the time I was working with her, her mother suddenly passed away. So this course will actually help me with my future clients to help them through difficult times. I had to do some crash course learning on how to help this family manage getting through such a difficult tragedy in their lives. And I really think that having a better, more solid understanding will help be able to help these clients through. So that's how I feel that this course would be relevant to my future learning, and look forward to it. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all throughout the course.